What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drone and Lens, and today we're diving into something super exciting: how you can turn your simple drone footage, whether it's from a DJI Neo or an Avata 2, or honestly almost any drone, and turn it into a full 3D model using a program called Polycam and its Gaussian Splat feature. It sounds fancy, but trust me, it's way easier than you think, and the results are absolutely insane. So stick around, because by the end of this video you will know how to create your own 3D worlds using nothing but your drones, or probably out of footage that you already have flying around. Now, before we jump right into this, firstly I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching my video, and if you get any type of value whatsoever, can you please hit that like button and smash subscribe, as it really helps my channel grow. Now let's get right into it. So what is Gaussian splatting? Well, instead of creating a traditional 3D mesh made of triangles, it uses millions of tiny 3D splats, basically little blobs of color and transparency that build up into a full 3D model. The cool part is this program handles even thin details like grass, trees and reflective surfaces a lot better than the standard photogrammetry. So here's what some normal footage looks like, and here is the 3D model render. To make all this work, we just need some drone footage of the object. The Avata 2 and the Neo are perfect for this because you can zip around objects smoothly. Now here's exactly how we're going to make our footage. So we're going to take this house and we're going to make it into a 3D model. Now this looks like a good distance for me to start at, and I'm going to move from left to right and I'm going to circle the entire building. Now we're going to start here and we're going to end back here in this position. But in a solid, fluid motion is what we want more than anything. It doesn't have to be super level, just as long as the motion is as good as you can get it. Don't stress about cinema level perfect. So we're going to start here and then we're going to circle the object. It doesn't matter how far or how close you are, as long as we can get some good coverage. Now, as you can see, I tried to stay the same distance all around, from start to finish, in a clean and smooth enough motion. And that's it. That's all I need. But while I'm here, I might as well whip out the Avata 2 and circle myself, just to see how well Gaussian Splat handles a human. And now that we've got our footage, whether it's on a laptop, PC or downloaded to your phone, now we want to upload it into Polycam. So we want to head over to Google and type in Polycam, or you can get it on the Google Play Store for your mobile device. Once you're here at Polycam, you want to click Get Started to sign up for free. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to quickly into mine. Now from here, we're going to go to Create and we're going to choose a 3D model from images or video. Now we can upload the footage we've just taken of me on a hay bale and also the 3D model of a house. So let's start with the house. We'll click here and we're going to choose the house file. Now while we're here, we're going to choose Gaussian Splat. Also, quick note, the expected time process is about 30 to 40 minutes, but I've seen it do it quicker than this. Now we can only upload on the free version from 15 seconds to 3 minutes of video to Gaussian Splat to render a video, and that's more than enough time. So make sure your video is under 3 minutes before you upload it. We're going to choose Gaussian Splat, upload and process. Now this is going to just take a little while to upload and process, and let's fast forward to the end result. Here is the house I scanned with the DJI Neo, and this is the fun part about it. We can do a full 360 around this house that we've scanned and built into a 3D model for absolutely free. Now guys, look how it's handling reflective surfaces. Now that was actually a lot wet because it's just rained a few minutes, but we even have the puddles reflecting the clouds above. This is just craziness. Now here's how it looks. We can rotate, we can zoom, we can explore. That's just crazy. Now let's switch to the DJI Avata 2 footage that I've just taken of me on the hay bale and see how that looks. Guys, this is some next level 3D. Guys, if that's not impressive 3D modeling from a drone, I do not know what is. I've even captured me dog sitting there. The great thing about this is that you can actually use the mobile app to view your downloaded 3D models. So you can show off your 3D models on the go anywhere. And here are some quick tips that will help the 3D model create a lot better. You want to fly steady when you're circling your object. You want to keep good lighting, no crazy shadows and no big dark spots. You don't want to be jumping into all mad crazy angles. Try and keep it relatively the same so the software has enough data to fill in all the gaps. And do not stress about it being cinema level perfect. You can use horizon steady or rock steady in the programs on the drones just to help you out, but it doesn't really matter. The program will do all the heavy lifting. So there you have it, guys. With nothing but a simple DJI drone and a program called Polycam, you can create amazing 3D worlds and 3D models using Gaussian Splat. Now I'll be experimenting with this a hell of a lot more, so if you want to see me try full environments or combine this with some FPV fly-throughs, make sure to hit that like button and smash subscribe to Drone and Lens for more tech and drone breakdowns. I'm Adam from Drone and Lens. You guys have been colourful and I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching my video. And if you got any type of insight or any type of value whatsoever, can you please hit that like button and smash subscribe. I'm Adam from Drone and Lens. You guys have been colourful and I hope to see you all in the next video.